Are you tired of your boring white backsplash? Well, let's turn it into this. My faux metal backsplash. Keep watching. DIY kitchen backsplash faux metal tile, thrifted in the city. So these are the tiles that I use. I purchased them at a thrift store many moons ago, and I wanted to do something to my white wall because it was so boring and I was so tired of looking at it. So I used some duct tape. I used this masking tape or painter's tape and a pair of scissors, and this is the materials that I used. So really it's like putting together a puzzle. When I first started this project, I was going to make it bigger, but of course I didn't measure, and so I downsized it, but I just wanted to show you the process. Then you put this painter tape on because you want to have something that will hold the tile together, so when you flip it over to put the duct tape, that it will stay together. So that's how that looked, and I flipped it over. And then I decided that this was much too big, but I'm just going to show you the process. So I took all the sticky stuff off the back. So then I just added the duct tape. I made it smaller, and then I just stuck some duct tape on it so it would stick to the wall. Then I used some aluminum foil because I did have some white spacing that I was trying to cover up. I just tore it off, cut it in half, put some more duct tape on the aluminum foil, and voila! It is not the perfect job, but I like it so much better than having that white wall. Isn't it super cute? So this is just a very simple, affordable or inexpensive project that you could do yourself. It took maybe 10 minutes. So that's where I added the aluminum foil up top. I need to do a little better job and add some more pieces, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Recap. So I took my white wall from this by using the faux tile, adding some duct tape, taking some aluminum foil as filler, adding some duct tape to that, and then you have this beautiful backsplash that was under $5, took less than 10 minutes. Please follow me, Thrifted in the City, and on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on my very next one. Bye!